None of us plan for hair loss, but what if I told you there's a game changer? Let's talk about scalp micropigmentation. Hair loss can knock your confidence right off its feet. But here's the good news, scalp micropigmentation is here to save the day. This isn't just another quick fix. It's a revolutionary treatment that gives you a naturally fuller look. No more hiding under hats or avoiding mirrors. With scalp micropigmentation, tiny pigments are applied to your scalp, mimicking natural hair follicles. The result? A head-turning look that's completely natural. But let's get real for a second. This is more than just about looks. It's about walking into a room with your head held high, knowing you look as good as you feel. Imagine not worrying about thinning hair or receding hairlines. Picture yourself feeling confident at work, on dates, or even just hanging out with friends. That's the power of scalp micropigmentation. And it's not just for men, women are seeing incredible results too. Whether it's age-related hair loss, alopecia, or just wanting a thicker look, scalp micropigmentation works wonders. So why not give it a shot? Boost your confidence, elevate your self-esteem, and start living your best life today. Remember, hair loss doesn't define you, but taking control, that definitely does. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and follow us for more life-changing tips and stories.